a tour of the house since I haven't gave one yet. Last week I was feeling kind of down. We've been in here for a week now. Our view of the mountains is so pretty. Okay, a little closet. My door is so pretty. I'm gonna put a bench out here, some flowers. It's gonna be pretty. And then you go inside. Okay. So where we keep our shoes at. This right here is a closet. This is gonna be, it opens. When guests come, they can put their shoes and their jackets in there. Hallway. Still gotta get some stuff put together. Right here, a half bath. So, and a toilet. I'm gonna put that together. That trash can goes in there. And then this space is going to be the living room. The living room. Let me back up. So this space right there, it's gonna be the living room where we're gonna put our sectional, and over there in the corner, it's gonna be where we can put our computer desk. Over here, this space is the dining room. You know, here's my kitchen. Don't mind it, I just got done cooking. And I was like, let me, my phone down here, let me do this. So, my kitchen. This is going to be our washer and dryer. They do not come with one, so we have to buy one and put it in here. So as of right now, we're going to the wash house. Save some coins for right now. And then our pantry. These just some little staples until we get our car. We can do what we need to do. Then we open this door. Still in my pantry, still. And guess what we have? A garage, a one-car garage. Nothing else is going in here but my garage. But my car is going in here. That's it. I don't want nothing else in here. So my car and my deep freezer is gonna go right there. I don't want nothing else in here. I don't want it to be too compact. Or probably like our Christmas and holiday stuff. That's it. Okay. So then we go outside. I gotta take my shoes off. We don't wear house store shoes outside. This is my out front, my backyard. It is so nice. And then I got this whole area she can play with. Say hey, Nevaeh. Or whatever. And then we got this closet right here. We're gonna put some stuff in there too. Okay? So that's all of downstairs. All of downstairs. So now we get to walk upstairs. Okay, so upstairs we go. It's so nice. Look how high it is. It reminds me of my house in Fort Hood, but Fort Hood wasn't this big. Okay, so we're gonna go to our right. It's a closet. Has a lot of closet space in this house. So it's a closet. If Nevaeh doesn't have enough room in her closet, I'm gonna make this, in her room closet, I'm gonna make this her closet. Cause it's a lot. She got a lot. Nevaeh's room. Her room. You go into this room. You go into this room. This is the room I wanted her to have. No. But but this room is smaller than that one. But I don't know, this one just felt so quaint like her. So we got this room, and this is gonna be a guest room. This is gonna be a guest room, or who knows? I might make it into something for me. Oh no, but it'll be a guest room. Oh, and this is how small the closets are. This is why I said she might have to get the other closet in the hallway. Those closets are pretty small. I mean, shorts can go down. I mean, pants and stuff can go down here. Shirts and dresses can go up there, but still. Okay. The bathroom. Her bathroom. I'm surprised it's intact, because I have to argue every day for her to pick that towel up off the floor. But her bathroom. Nice. Walk on the other side. This is going to be already a linen closet, toilet paper closet. So put our towels. These curtains need to go in my room. These curtains need to go into our man cave. So this is going to be a linen closet. Yeah, and our blankets and stuff when they do come. Okay. This closet, let me turn on the light. It's kind of dark. Shoot. Okay, this closet is going to be Sion's closet, where he put all of his gear, because he needs a closet by himself. His stuff is too bulky. I might even tell him to put his uniforms out here. This room, Sion's man cave. This is the smallest of the rooms. This is Sion's man cave. I'm recording. And again, same thing. Look, he already got some of his stuff in here. Might tell him to put his stuff in here. I almost said cuss word. But yeah. Okay, so now our room is a mess, but our room. Don't mind those water bottles. We recycle. They going in the recycling bin. So yeah, this is a queen blow up, and our bed is a king. So that still lets you know that we have a lot of space on both sides. And we're going to put our TV and dresser over here. I can't wait. It's going to be nice. And then my walk-in closet. Our walk-in closet. Yes, we're still living out of our suitcases until our stuff get here. I should pick up everything. Okay. My bathroom. In the bathroom. So the toilet and shower is on this side with a door. So if he's doing his thing or I'm doing my thing, shut the door, be in here brushing my teeth or whatever without bothering each other. I like it. Then our closet and our bathroom, I like it a lot. Is the end of my